Hi guys, just wanted to give you a little update. My Proto 1 080 switcher is actually working again. I can't figure out, something must have reset itself inside the engine, and I'm getting all the sounds back. My bell is working again. That's working again. One thing I don't have chuffing. It's all messed up. It's running. It doesn't know like the speed of the chuff. If I flip the smoke button, I don't get anything. I'm not getting anything at all. So I'm not sure, the sounds are messed up. I'm not getting smoke or a headlight. It does run. Those are my symptoms. The one good thing is, it is going. But there's something wrong with the contacts or something. It should go faster. I got horn.